Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're holding Ethereum in your Tangem wallet and want to move it over to Binance for trading or staking, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process for 2025, making it simple and secure. Let's dive in. First off, before we start, ensure you have the Tangem Wallet app installed on your device, your Ethereum funds are in it, and your Binance account is fully set up and verified. This will help avoid any hiccups along the way. Step 1. Open the Tangem Wallet app on your phone or device. Use your PIN, fingerprint, or whatever security method you set up to unlock it. Step 2. Once inside, navigate to your wallet dashboard and select the Ethereum asset. This is usually listed under your Balances or Assets tab. Step 3. Look for the Send or Withdraw button. It's often an icon like an arrow or paper plane. Tap on it to start the transaction. Step 4. Enter the recipient's address. Head over to your Binance account, go to the Wallet section, and copy your Ethereum deposit address. Paste it carefully into the Tangem app to avoid any errors. Step 5. Specify the amount of Ethereum you want to send. Don't forget to check the estimated gas fees, as Ethereum transactions require some ETH for network costs. Step 6. Review all the details on the confirmation screen, including the address, amount, and fees. If everything looks good, hit confirm to broadcast the transaction. After that, sit tight. The transaction will be processed on the Ethereum blockchain, which might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network traffic. A quick word of caution. Always double-check addresses to prevent sending funds to the wrong place, and never share your private keys. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to practice. There you have it. That's how to withdraw Ethereum from Tangem Wallet to Binance in 2025. If this tutorial helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.